this combined arms demonstration, the A-10 Thunderbolt IIs, the Warthogs. The F-16s, the F-15E Strike Eagles, A-10s, and the F-35s are also going to be joined today by the HH-60 Pavehawk helicopters, the Jollies from the 88th Test and Evaluation Squadron. All of our aircraft will now make their way to their designated holding points and are combined. Are forced to take cover, and as they face the threat of being overrun and losing their position, the friendly forces have called in air support from the world's preeminent air power, the United States Air Force. In response to the enemy air attacks, the F-22 Raptor air superiority fighters launched to intercept the enemy aircraft.
Viper, Bolt, hold tasking, strike 4. I need you to push immediate. We have targets, IVO, center of the runway. How copy? Strike copies, tally targets. Park copies, tally targets.
Two F-15E Strike Eagles and two A-10 Warhogs check in with the JTAC, ready to provide close air support to the friendly ground forces on the airfield. Enemy forces are advancing onto friendly positions, and the ground troops are under heavy fire. The JTAC quickly relays the situation to the pilots inbound, and they immediately spring into action. The formations above are equipped with several communication radios, multiple targeting systems, defensive sensors, nearly 30,000 pounds of combined ordnance. These highly trained aviators will provide armed overwatch and CAS to the friendly ground forces.
Good hit. Break 4, flight. You push immediate reattack.
Copy. Speed reattack. Expect COT 30 seconds north.
Port 2 up and in north. 4-2 Jedi cleared hot, cleared hot. Break, stand one, clear. Viper, full, requesting immediate suppression of enemy air defense. IVO, center of the runway. How copy?
Surface to air missile systems.
Viper, 1 in. Viper 1, Jedi, cleared hot, cleared hot. Left flight cleared hot. Viper.
The coordinated attack is effective, and the enemy missile launchers are struck, but some systems remain. The F-35 F-16 sensors detect another SAM system, and they set up for a re-attack. Despite having established air superiority, Air Force aircraft must always remain vigilant to enemy fighter aircraft potentially making the intercept. As the F-16s again engage the ground forces, the enemy fighters, the aggressors, make
Good tail.
411 and 412 push inbound.
4-2, cleared on, cleared on.
Utilizing the aggressive Gal 8 Avenger Gatling gun. Targets are neutralized.
4 flight, get it back, get it back. 4 dead, I request you reach out to John Lee. We need immediate exfil of friendly forces on the ground.
Earlier in our battle, the P.
Correcting the overhead.
After all of the Over the course of the next few minutes, you will see the diverse array of participating aircraft of this combined arms demonstration recover here to Nellis Air Force Base. Dissimilar formations of 5 different types of aircraft. Squadron 4 F-16 Fighting Falcons. An aircraft type just this past year celebrating its 50th anniversary. As our aircraft recover, on runway 03 left, they will make their way past the crowd, again giving you a good close-up look at many of the combat assets based right here in Nellis. Inbound of the break, high and overhead, here's the F-35A Lightning II. Followed by the Mud Hens, the F-15E Strike Eagles. One of the most impressive combat air power demonstrations you will see any place. How about another big round of applause for our Nellis, retired by the end of 2029. The A-10 capable of shooting rounds the size of Coke bottles at some 70 rounds a second. Essentially just the final evolution of throwing a rock at someone. A-10 Thunderbolt 2, specializing in now close They'll be making their recovery momentarily as well. Again, a great photo opportunity as our aircraft make their way down the line in front of you. Be sure to remember the hashtag Aviation Nation on all of your social media posts. A great taxi past and review of these aircraft led by the 64th aggressors, the F-16s. Aviation Squadron. They're best known as the Jollies. Well, the air show action continues now in the skies over Nellis Air Force Base as our flying display continues. And in just a moment, we're going to be introducing to you a guy who is considered to be one of the best air show performers this country has.